audio is brought to you by B, the parenting app.
Addressing delayed speech problems among children. My toddler still has not started talking much. Should I be worried? Parents should understand about half of a child's speech by the age of 2 years and about 3/4 at 3 years. Identify the signs to understand language or speech delay issues among children. By 2 years, the child says only certain sounds or words repeatedly, and he or she cannot use oral language to communicate more than his or her immediate needs. By 2 years, he or she can't follow simple directions. By 2 years, he or she has an unusual tone of voice. Parental involvement plays a major role in treating delayed language or speech problems. Some of these steps can encourage speech development among children. Spend more time in communicating with your child. Talk, sing, use gestures, and encourage your child to repeat the sounds or gestures. Read stories or show pictures to your child. Try and name them while the child looks at them. You can then move on to rhymes. Sing loud and clear with proper lip movements. Talk about everything in routine situations. Like, when you use a refrigerator, tell that I am opening a refrigerator to get fruits. Name them and show it to the little one. Try to talk to your child throughout the day. Point out objects and ask questions. If required, meet a speech therapist. A therapist can help the child to pronounce words and sounds by strengthening the muscles of mouth and face. For more insights, download B, the parenting app. Thank you.